Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about the 5 major benefits of hearing aids. The first benefit is it improves mental health. Like hearing aids help to reduce stress, anxiety and depression. Often people with untreated hearing loss feel stressed or anxious in social settings because they are unable to keep up with conversations. This leads to isolation, which many time leaves them depressed. Second benefit is it lowers the risk of cognitive decline. Frequent use of hearing aids help slow down the progression of lower cognition function, and many studies have shown untreated hearing loss is linked to dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The third benefit is it lowers the risk of falling. Hearing aids can help balance our equilibrium, thus reducing your risk of falling. The fourth benefit is it improves a social life. With improved hearing and cognitive health, can enjoy social settings and sound clarity. So always it improves social life. And the fifth and final benefit is it may help reduce tinnitus. Although there is no cure for tinnitus, many folks find relief from their symptoms by wearing hearing aids. Consult your experienced audiologist at your nearest place to greatly improve your hearing. Thanks for watching our videos. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon button to get more updates about hearing and